Hi guys, it's Lainey and today I'm going to be sharing with you for Cookie Mondays chocolate stuffed marshmallow cookies. Very delicious, so let's begin. So in a large bowl, you're going to add some all-purpose flour. And in this bowl, I also added the baking soda. Then you're going to add the cocoa powder and you're going to mix it until it is well combined. Set this bowl aside, and then in another bowl, you're going to mix together the butter and the sugars until it is light and fluffy. Then add the eggs and the vanilla extract and continue mixing until it is well combined. So once the wet ingredients is mixed together very well, go ahead and add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So once you're done mixing the cookie dough, you're going to get some marshmallows. Make sure you freeze the marshmallows and they defrost really fast. And you're going to place it in the center of the cookie and you're going to cover it, then place it on your cookie pan. So once I placed the cookie dough onto the cookie pan, I pressed it down and then added the chocolate chips and pressed it into the cookie. So bake the cookies at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Allow it to cool. And that's it. Super easy recipe and so good. I love the marshmallow taste. Even though the marshmallows disappeared, I think it also gave your cookie a nice look for it. So let me know in the comments if you guys decide to make this, and let me know what you want to see on the next Cookie Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.